mbogeddeko nabo okusooka nina kinabayigiriza juzi tetwakyazaako naliwo n'abakooba nti omukolo bwe guba gwa ssanyu omuntu yenna omugunjufu buli awali ekisanyuko akola atya akuba mu ngalo kakati mwabamu temundabanga nako olwole musoose okundabako nzize n'ekyengera kya Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament nenyimirira mwebaze ne mutakuba mu ngalo. Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, mikwano gyaffe ba Member of Parliament and especially the host Samuel Robina, abakulembeze baffe ab'emitendera egy'enjawulo n'okusinga ennyo akiikiridde kitunzi munzikirize of time protocol bagyogedde dda very neatly. I shouldn't lusatu kyenjagala okwebaza kyekyabakulembeze betulina mu Gomba ababuli wano olwaleero abakulembeddwa Central District kubanga balaze obuvunaanyizibwa ne babeera wano ku mukolo guno olwaleero okwaniriza omugenyi atali bwa bulijjo. Hosting a Speaker of Parliament is not a common thing. It is extraordinary. Si kya bulijjo. I've been to other districts wekitiibwa Speaker sinalaba bakukyaza. Nakulaba juzi when he had Namiryango Day, you came with the husband. My son is at Namiryango. No tuwa sente, no kolachi, no one, no mwami, no kolachi. So, hosting a Speaker of Parliament, mu abantu be Gomba temumanyi kye kitegeeza, ffe abali mu level eno ffe tumanyi what it means. Mwesuneko. I had a chance to be hosted in her home. You can't remember. I was on that team that you hosted at Ukedeya during the by-elections. Yatuchaza mu ddiro lye ly'ebbeeyi ennyo naye nga I was just near you. N'atugabula ekijjulo ne tutuma emirimu gye batutumye bulungi naye nga ndaba omuntu ali down to earth. So she is. Thank you so much for being such a relevant leader. Very outgoing, very developmental. Ono gwe mulaba e Bukedeya bw'otuukayo n'olaba byakoze, you can't believe you are in Bukedeya, a rural district. Azimbye essomero eritendeka abasawo eryagala okufaanagana Makerere University. There is a secondary school ne mutaziteeka to proper use. Munaaba muswaziza olunaku lwaffe n'ekigendererwa kiki ekirungi. N'olwekyo njabategeeza nti omukyalo ono obugabi bwe si bwakuba nti mugagga, alina humanity ku mutima, ayagala abantu to prosper in development. Therefore, mwongere omukubirako mu ngalo for that. That those who have crossed over from the opposition, 90% has been your effort. Batona abakimanyi neffe abali ku level eno tukikola ki tukimanyi. That's how she has been able to neutralize the opposition much as bakyatuleekaanira ate nga muzeeyi neeni ali mbakatandika okukulembera eggwanga. As I wind up, please allow me to make some clarifications. One, Honorable Right Speaker, PDM is a baby program, and countrywide it has challenges. So Gomba teyinza kuba extraordinary, PDM nejawo ne tutafuna challenges. And as I talk now, it is improving. Apparently we used to get instructions from PDM Secretariat, from local government, Prime Minister's office, differently. But as we talk now, we are getting guidelines from one source, the PDM Secretariat. So it is improving. And these challenges of extortions, Owekitiibwa Meya byabadde ayogerako tebibadde Gomba wokka wadde ndi mugenyi. I was in Luuka, I list three. They have been selling jobs even to those who don't qualify. Era nyabo wenjogerera, I advise a cow to suspend the interviews that were being organized. He tried to state by saying politicians could not stop the exercise of the DSC. We insisted with my chairman and the security committee. As we talk now, I think it's not going on. Investigations are going on by the police and my DSO. We are handling the issue of selling jobs in Ruhuka by the DSC. That one we are able managing. Gomba, I mean. And good enough, the cow has been disturbing us, has already retired. We have today got a fresh one. Tugenda gezako kulaba nti atambula with our ideology of the NRM and our government. Gwe tubadde naye indirectly has been fighting the government. I'm sorry to mention it's not for you. Allow me to say thank you so much for listening to me. Allow me to say I'm grateful to be before you. After Bukedea,